So this is the famous haunted railroad tracks in San Antonio. This road right here seems to be really, really straight. But then, it's weird because, hang on. It's really weird because once you get in neutral and turn the car off, it pushes you across these tracks. See if I can get somebody on camera doing it. It says no trespassing. Are we trespassing? I think we are trespassing. What's the definition of trespassing?
So where did this whole thing happen here then?
So, right here, a bus full of kids got hit. They all died, and now they stay here and push anybody that stops over here over the tracks. That's the idea. See, but it looks like a big hill coming down. But like right here, like she says, where it starts getting straight, it's like flat. Look. See, they turned off their car and they're rolling. They're rolling. They're coming quick now. The car's off. See, and they put baby powder on the back. You can see the handprints. It's crazy. His car was off, and for whatever reason, it just went straight all the way down this. We're gonna try it again with the Hummer. The car's off. And it's rolling. And this fucking... It actually looks like it goes up a little bit. What the fuck? That was a fail. You're supposed to turn. Yeah. Those people got a lot of powder on the car. Those people got a lot of powder on the car.